Yeedi by ECOVACS Cube Robot Vacuum and Mop. Self-mop drying and washing. Self-emptying, 8mm auto mop lifting. 2 cm obstacle climbing. Sonic mopping, 1L water tank, for hard floors, carpets. Yeedi Cube now brings truly hands-free, incorporates self-emptying, self-washing, and self-drying capabilities into one, brings revolutionary home cleaning experience. Yeedi Cube features a unique L-shaped short tunnel design, which supports 99% dust collection efficiency by only 10 seconds, less noise disturbance, also holds up to 60 days of completely hands-free maintenance. Yeedi's sonic mopping technology delivers a whopping 2,500 vibrations per minute. With the XXXL large 1,000 ml water tank, Yeedi Cube can achieve a more long-lasting cleaning experience compared to traditional robots only has 200 ml water tank. Get best price and details product from link in description.